Thanks for tuning in to learn about small business conversion, general liability, and workers' compensation enhancements. We are now beginning phase 2 of conversion, which will include business key, contractors package, and work comp policies. We will focus on the GL coverage changes, and while there may not be any coverage changes to the work comp policy during the conversion process, there are some enhancements that are available that we will discuss. First, let's take a look at what's new. New coverages for conversion and new business with the release of 4.7 include property coverage, accounts receivable, and valuable papers and records. Property will include building, business personal property, and electronic data processing for all states and mine subsidence in Illinois and Indiana only. Now let's look at new limit options for existing coverages. Liability and medical expense will have an option for $2 million per occurrence, $4 million aggregate. Special consideration has been obtained for installation coverage and unscheduled tools and equipment coverage on conversion policies only. In addition to the limits provided today, installation coverage will have higher coverage amount limits of $50,000, $75,000, $100,000, $125,000, $150,000, and $200,000 also available. Similar to this, unscheduled tools and equipment will have higher limit options of $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, $100,000, $150,000, and $200,000 available as well. An exciting new addition to eligible business is air duct cleaning services. This is effective for new business and will also be a class that is converted to the small business sales system. Let's review coverage reductions. Hired and non-owned auto liability will no longer be available on a GL policy. Since this coverage is an auto-related coverage and readily available on business auto policies, if needed, it should be added to the business auto policy. Liquor liability has been revised to indicate that if a named insured permits any person to bring alcohol on premises for consumption, coverage is excluded. Now let's take a look at additions to the work comp policy coverage. Workers' compensation is expanding new business class appetite to include these classes. We now have deductible programs in the following states: Colorado, Georgia, Indiana, Kansas, Nebraska, Nevada, Minnesota, South Dakota, and Utah, and increased employers' liability limits of $1 million, $1 million, $1 million are available. The additions and changes reviewed here are not all-inclusive. For more details and information on GL and work comp enhancement, be sure to check out the GL and work comp product guides, the Conversion Hero articles, and the policy packets available on the Conversion website. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you next time.